Some people think that they don't need a home inspection and they buy the property as is. Then, minor issues not found before purchasing become worse. They realize that they should have had a home inspection. It's a big decision, and one that should not be taken lightly. In this video, we're going to show you 5 reasons you need a home inspection before buying a home. Number 1. You will have a good understanding of what you don't see. By knowing about potential problems up front, you'll be able to make an informed decision about whether or not to buy a particular property. Number 2. You save more than what you'll pay for the home inspection. Some people may be tempted to skip the home inspection, but it can save you money in the long run. A home inspector will uncover problems with the property, which could end up costing you more to fix later on. Number 3. You can negotiate better. With the knowledge and the details acquired from the home inspection process, you will have the bargaining power to negotiate for a better deal. Number 4. Repair work may be done by the seller. Having a home inspection done before finalizing the contract will help you know what needs to be done. Depending on the issues found, the seller may be responsible for completing the repairs. Number 5. You get a true education about the property you are looking to buy. Getting a home inspection will help you learn about the property and what you're looking to buy. The home inspector will teach you about maintenance, things to watch for, and more. Acquiring a home is an exciting time in your life, and we want to make sure that you have all the information you need to make the best decision possible. By hiring a professional home inspector before buying the property, you can avoid costly repairs down the road.